Hey, MSA Physics. So, I wanted to let you know we're going to need some special characters here in a second because we're going to be writing chemical compounds that require subscripts. So, this is pretty easy. All you do is, so like if I'm writing like lithium oxide, and oops, I got to click in here. Okay, so there's two lithiums, so I'm going to go to insert. I'm going to say special characters. And then I have to type in here where it says keyword. I have to say subscript or just sub, and then I can find the number 2. See, and then it put it right in there like that. If this happens to block your letters, then you won't be able to see it go in there, but it will go in, like just by like you can see each time I click this, it puts another one in there. Okay, there you go.